I'm Scott Francis, editor of Products Finishing, and I wanted to tell you about the March issue of our magazine. This month we have several exciting features lined up. Our cover story takes you inside the Los Alamos National Laboratory to learn about a recent renovation of the lab's electroplating and anodizing facility. Having served the historic laboratory for decades, the lab was completely stripped down and rebuilt with updated equipment. Get a peek inside at this state-of-the-art facility. Next up, we take a look at Nadcap audits, an important certification for finishers aspiring to aerospace work, but one that some operations may find a bit daunting. In this feature, an expert from Nadcap will take you inside the auditing process, explaining the common pitfalls and giving you advice. In addition, we'll learn how an appetite for experimentation has contributed to a small Electroless nickel finisher's recent expansion and growth of its business. We'll take a look at pretreatment options using acid salts in place of mineral acids. In addition to our feature stories, you'll find a preview to the upcoming ECOAT 22 electric coating event happening April 19th through 21st in Orlando. You'll discover how to take advantage of the robust technical program, workshops, and networking opportunities the event has to offer. As always, this issue of Products Finishing features the latest news, trends, and innovations in the finishing industry, as well as helpful Ask the Expert clinics and insightful columns, including our brand new Top Shops Insider column that offers a peek inside qualifying shops that ranked highly in our annual Top Shops benchmarking survey, a program designed to provide measurable data to aid shops in continuous improvement practices. We hope you'll enjoy the new column, and while you're at it, take the survey and find out if you have what it takes to be a top shop. Visit pfonline.com and click on the latest issue tab to download or subscribe. And for more information about the Top Shops program, simply click on the drop-down in the navigation and you'll find a link that will give you more information. And as always, thanks for reading Products Finishing.